Today is all about creating stunning wall decors. Use the styrofoam to draw a circle on the cut cardboard. Stick wooden skewers around the circle. Also attach skewers to the side of the styrofoam and try your best to space them evenly. Once completed, spray both pieces gold. Stick the styrofoam in the center of the cardboard. Draw circles in the center of the paper plates, then cut them out. Save the remaining plates for later. Once the circles are cut, randomly stick them onto the skewers. pearl beads to enhance the look. Finally, stick the mirror in the center on top the styrofoam. And there you have it, a beautiful and stunning mirror wall decor that does not cost much, but will surely enhance your home. Now on to the next DIY. Stick the plates that you saved earlier together. You should have 4 plates totaled attached together. Stick a wooden coaster in the center at the back of the plates. Add Mod Podge, then gold confetti on the wooden coaster, then leave it to completely dry. Once dry, stick pearl beads around the confetti. To top it off, cut 2 additional plates into halves and stick them on the edge. Amazing, right? Look at the beautiful decor you can create right at your home without spending lots of money. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment below which of these two budget-friendly wall decor DIYs is your favorite, or which one you will try to recreate. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe so you don't miss out on any of those upcoming DIYs, and until next time, elevate your space and not your spending.